Myself, Jaydeep. I am in LJ Institute of Engineering from Mechanical Branch SEM 3. I am here to present my COM project. Title of my project is Stamping Machine by using cam and follower. Let's first understand how the cam and follower mechanism work. A cam and follower is the mechanism device used to convert rotatory motion into reciprocating or oscillatory motion. This set up three different parts: cam, follower and guides, which follower can slide on it. Cam act as driving members, follower act as driven members and guide as support the follower. So we have used radial cam and flat face follower. Working of my project. This is my model. First, this is a cam, radial type, and follower, flat surface. We can rotate the handle. The cam also rotate. The follower can goes up and down. We can attach the stamp here and printing our requirement design. The application of stamping machine by using cam and follower is in this mechanism use the various devices such as engine, pump and printing press. It is used to do accurate stamping work, and the mechanism is in metal stamping machine in industry for making a different shape, and other smaller industry the make the product like jewelry and household appliances can be manufactured their product on its large scale with the help of metal stamping machine. This is the basic application of stamping machine.